your line sheet can be created in Canva and has to have the following components. 1. Title page. On the title page, you have your logo, your mission and purpose, and a catalog quality picture of your product. Picture or pictures, it's up to you how you want to design your title page. On the bottom of the title page, you can add your contact information. The second page or pages, depending on amount of products that you have, will be your line sheets. On these sheets, you will be having the clear presentation of your product, the product pictures of all the variations with the following information under each and every picture. So you will have one picture per product. You may as well have, depending on what product you have, you may as well have several pictures per product. If you need to demonstrate your product from the front, from the back, and from the side, you may have 3 product pictures. And under these product pictures, you will have the following information. Product name, how do you call it? Style number, your SKU number, extremely important. Color, you will write the color red, navy, polka dot, white, black and white. Size, you will be writing out all your sizes available. Material, composition of your fabric. Wholesale price in USD of your product. Manufacturer suggested retail price in USD or your local currency. And MAP, minimum advertised price, also in your local currency. This is the must-have information under the pictures on your line sheets. The third page, it's not exactly the third page because you may have multiple products, you may need several pages to depict all these products, and then the next page following the line sheets will be a page containing your standards and contact us information. What do you include into your standards? By the way, for those people who just joined the Q&A, this is the Q&A of Fashion Business Mastermind, the weekly board meeting where fashion entrepreneurs are asking their questions and getting answers that help them to move the needle in their business. We are talking right now about how to pitch to a retailer or a wholesaler. You need an email and you need a line sheet. These are the 2 documents that you need to pitch wholesalers and retailers with, and we are talking now about the line sheet. You can watch this video in replay on my YouTube channel called Fashion Business Mastermind. It will be uploaded in a couple of days and you can go through all these questions, and also of course subscribe and view all other Q&A questions that we've covered in the past half year. So in your standards in your line sheet, you write your company standards. And at this point in our life, in the development of our world, this is extremely important. What standards could you write? You could write the following. I'll give you several examples. What you are going to fill in this, in your standards is up to you. This is your brand strategy. So it could be ethically manufactured by a fairly paid artisan team, or ethically manufactured by a fairly paid team of garment engineers. The fair manufacturing, ethical manufacturing is extremely important for me and for us and for our company. For example, we manufacture all our products ethically. This could be your company standard. This is our company standard. We are not going to employ any slave labor in no place. We are not going to employ any child labor, and we will make sure that it's not that our products are manufactured in a fair, responsible, progressive way. So this may be your standard. The second one could be, for example, no parabens, SLS petroleum, mineral oil, pH phthalates, formaldehyde, or synthetic fragrances are used in any of the products. You may want to work with organic fabrics only, with organic components only. So it means that a formulation like that may be your standard. Free from ZO dyes and pH phthalates. This is something that is a must for clothing right now. So this can be your standard, and you may state it. No animal testing can be your standard. 100% vegan can be a standard. Small scale happy world production. 100% original design. I find it an extremely important standard. So for me to go out shopping for other people or other creators, other designers, design and then copy pasting them is not done. This is a common practice in the fashion industry, but this is not done for creators. So it is extremely valuable if your brand is 100% original design. This was the reason 15 years ago that I've set up our manufacturing company called Quantum Factory to support original creative, original fashion designers and fashion entrepreneurs to bring their products to the market, to bring their original designs to the market. Because at a certain point in time, I was fed up with having all the large guys copying those original designers and selling it, where original designers would not have any profit from their design and would not even be able to manufacture on a small scale and launch their brand. So having a standard 100% original design is a great standard. These are examples. You may have different standards or more standards. Think about it, fill them in. The next one is your contact us part. In contact us part, you should fill in all the data so that people can contact you through different ways. Your contact details. So you will need to have your company name, your physical address of the company, your company webpage, your phone number, contact person name, and email address. This is the least that needs to be there. The next page, again, all these things can also fit on one page depending on your layout and design. But the next part of the line sheet are wholesale terms. You will need to think about your wholesale terms. So these are order minimum. How many units does a wholesaler or retailer has to purchase from you? What is the minimum order quantity? You need to decide on that by yourself. This is a strategic business decision. Order page. Your online page where wholesalers can place online wholesale order. You want your stockists to be able to go to a page online on your site, log in as a wholesaler and place a wholesale order. Accept payments. What payments do you accept? For example, Visa, MasterCard, bank transfer. Anything else? Bank details. Fill in your bank details for a bank transfer. Payment terms. What are your payment terms? Do you want 100% prior to shipment? Do you want 30 days after shipment, 60 days, 90 days after shipment? What payment terms do you provide to your wholesaler? Lead time. How many days does it take until they get the goods after order placement? Shipping. What shipping do you use? Do you use express? Anything else? Special bonus. If you have a special bonus that you want to give to the wholesalers to start working with you first, you may add a special bonus. A special bonus can be free shipment for wholesale orders of a certain amount, for example. These are the components of a line sheet. So write your email, create your line sheet, and start approaching the wholesalers and retailers.